Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to give you a look at some of the top areas, the top niches on Clickbank, and explain why they're the top ones. So this will help you if you are picking out a product to promote on Clickbank and you're not sure where to start. I'll give you a look at the top 5, in my opinion, of the best places to start, and also some of the key things that you'll want to do when picking the best niches. And then if you like this and you want to get a complete guide of how to build a Clickbank site that ranks via SEO and gets ranked for keywords, do check out the link below. I've got a special offer on for the Clickbank mega site training. You'll find this link below. It will take you to this page. You can check out the video here and it's at half price. It's 50% off. Essentially it gives you a step-by-step course that will guide you through all of this, so we go far more into niche selection. Instead of just looking at the top 5 areas, we're going to go into exactly how to pick a product out, how to pick your keywords, how to get set up, how to check the competition, how to write the content for those keywords quickly, and how to rank, and different affiliate programs as well as Clickbank, different affiliate programs that you can put on with a plan of action. So do check out the video. I won't make this video too long about that. You'll find the link below. I'd love to have you. It's very limited at half price, so do check it out and let's get on with the video. So I've put the link to this page below if you want to join us, and let's take a look at the top 5 areas in Clickbank I recommend you start with. Okay, so I'm going to whiz through it. I just wanted to give you a quick look for those of you that don't know my channel and so on, and you're thinking, well, who's this guy telling us how to pick Clickbank products? I just wanted to show you a few things. This is a Premier certificate they sent me in 2013. I also got one in 2014. I also got one in 2012, 2011, 2010, 2009, and going back 2008 and 2007 as well, as one of their top vendors. I've also recently received one of these from Pay Kickstart, which is a payment system, $250,000 put through their payment system, which I was really proud of and really cool to see that flash up. I'm not showing you this to brag or anything like that. I'm showing it because I want you to see that essentially, before we get into picking the Clickbank products out, all of this stuff is just an offer in front of the right people at the right time, and you'll make a sale. Now what you try and do is make sure that you've got the right time with good keyword selection, or if you're doing pay-per-click, the same thing, but you're paying for the clicks, so good keyword selection, and then the best product, and obviously sales pages, it goes into it. But I just wanted to show you that Clickbank's no different in terms of making sales with Clickbank to anywhere else, apart from the fact that it's got a huge affiliate database, okay, and really good commissions, and you don't have to go through the pain of developing your own products. But I just want to be clear on that. Let's have a look at the niches. Okay, so I'll just go down them in order. Number 1, health and fitness is probably one of the top niches. There's other niches that I could have picked, you know, the make money online niche, or the stock market niche, or something like that. The reason that I haven't picked them is because you don't want to, in my opinion, go into something that gets huge refund rates and causes all sorts of problems. So the first top niche I would recommend is the health and fitness niche. Another little tip when you're looking through the Clickbank marketplace, make sure that you click this down arrow, because one of the key things that I recommend that you do is always niche down. Okay, so you don't want to just go into health and fitness. Obviously there's lots of different facets of it: dietary supplements, diets and weight loss. So diets and weight loss will always be massive, no pun intended, but diets and weight loss will always be a big niche. Exercise and fitness, and you can actually see that the top niches are always the ones where the most pain is associated with them. Okay, that doesn't mean that you should go and sell anything, sell something above board, but you can see here, like remedies is always a good one, and you can see here there's a the stuff that sells the best. You can see diabetes freedom here, back pain but breakthrough. What I'm Kidney disease solution. What I'm trying to illustrate is be careful with products like this because you obviously want to promote something that gets people results, but I'm just trying to illustrate to you that the more pain, the more urgency there is to fix the problem, the better the niche is. Be very careful when selecting health products and how you angle it, but that's a whole different topic. But just to show you, the health and fitness is probably one of the top ones. You've got weight loss supplements in there, you've got women's health, you've got strength training, you've got all sorts there, remedies and so on. Really, really good. The second niche that I would recommend having a good look at is self-help, and that's very similar to that remedies in terms of the reason self-help is a really good one is because especially the dating guides, this is a really really good niche because obviously there's a lot of need there. There's the need for sex, there's the need for relationships, and to be attractive and all of that stuff. So it covers a huge area, but a really really good niche. Obviously, it's a bit harder in the course. So that link below that I was mentioning, the Clickbank Mega Site training, we go more into depth about how to pick out a specific product. But obviously, there's a huge area here that is very, very hungry people looking for help. So dating guides would be a top one. Other things as well going down that you might not think straight away, like public speaking guides, because they're so niche, they can work really, really well. Time management guides and so on, because they're so niche down, they can work really, really well. Self-defense guides, you can actually see, if you look on YouTube for self-defense, there's channels with millions and millions and millions of people subscribed. So it just goes to show how good a niche it is, and you can build a site around that and have you do have to know what you're talking about to be able to build a site or be able to research it, but really really good niches. The self-help is definitely one because you can niche right down and it's got a lot of pain associated with it. Another area is spirituality, new age and alternate beliefs. Now this may not be right for some people, tarot and magic and numerology and paranormal, but just looking at it from out any of that perspective, it's a niche that sells. So astrology and hypnosis and magic and numerology and law of attraction and all of that stuff and tarot cards, really really big niche. Again, very difficult. Like the health niche, you have to be careful what you're promoting obviously, and you have to make sure that you stay in line with a lot of things, but very good niche. Just looking purely at some of the best niches, this is definitely one to go for. Another, and again niche down, so do one of these: hypnosis, magic, numerology. This is probably one of the top ones at the minute, numerology. Don't know why it hasn't got anyone in there. There's a huge numerology guide. I'm not going to search for it, but it is in there. Maybe they put it in the wrong section. So like the bioenergy code and so on. Midas you can see by the gravity on them anyway that there's a huge amount of really really good ones there. The next one I would recommend is green products. Now this is a huge niche again. Alternative energy is a huge niche, and also the other thing that you'll find with this niche is it's really really niche down. Okay, so you've got people looking for different ways of creating energy. You have got conservation, how to save energy, and then you've got general guides, and you've got a huge huge niche here that is really really niche down, but well worth a look. The only problem that you'll have with this area in some cases is it goes too niched down, so you know you don't want to go too far down, but really really good and overlooked area with high commission rates as well. You can see here easy DIY power plan, $70, and fairly decent gravity as well. For an outsider, or for the fifth one but an outsider, it would be home and garden. and there's some really good ones in here. Again, you can niche it right down, how to and home improvements and so on, and this can be quite a good area. Um, Very similar to the energy niche in a lot of cases, because you'll find that sort of stuff in there. But one of the things that will pop out from the home and garden one, and I actually had a Clickbank product in this niche, and that is shed plans. The product that I had in this niche was actually chicken coop, and weirdly, when I released that product, it was how to build a chicken coop, and it had videos on how to build the coop. But I found a bigger niche was how to keep your chicken safe from predators, and that was a bigger niche area. Another one is dog training and all of that stuff is a huge niche. So this is another really good area. You've got cat spraying no more. That's almost a perfect example of a niche, because it's really niche down and really when you're promoting that, you're going to have no confusion over keywords. So let me just go over the 5. Number 1, health. Remember to health and fitness, and remember to click the arrow so it goes and you can see all of the stuff. Health and fitness, self-help, spirituality and new age beliefs, green products, and home and garden as an outsider. That's where I recommend you start. Obviously there's more in it. You need to check the sales page, you need to check the gravity, you need to understand how the gravity works, you need to be able to gauge the conversion rate of the page, which you can't do just off the gravity. We'll be exploring all of this in the course. If you want in, do check out the link below. If you've enjoyed this video, you'll absolutely love it. If you haven't enjoyed this video, then I hope you got something out of it. You've probably already left. But I'll do some more videos like this, so do subscribe, and thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the Clickbank Mega Site training. Cheers for watching, guys.